It's the weekend and the boys and I are off glamping. It's the perfect opportunity to try out the versatility of the Ford Tourneo Courier. Let's get packing. Stuff and more camping stuff, but thank goodness the Tourneo Courier is swallowing it up, including my lovely camping stove. Come on boys, let's go! Already the Tourneo Courier is scoring huge points for its flexibility. We've loaded it to the gunnels with all our camping equipment, but there's still a huge feeling of light and space in here. It's brilliant. That space doesn't come at a high cost, and when you factor in the fantastic 1 litre EcoBoost petrol engine, the running costs stay low too. Everyone loves playing car DJ, and Ford's Thinkfree system is great for that. It hooks up to your phone and connects seamlessly to the car's entertainment system. Oh, and of course it hooks up to all those other things your phone can do, like make actual phone calls. It's the little things that make it a great drive, like knowing I've got hill start assist, as well as front and rear parking sensors, and for that extra peace of mind, emergency brake assist. You guys okay back there?
Yeah, loads of space.
The Tourneo Courier has totally pulled its weight on this trip. This spacious, versatile MPV seats 5 in comfort and features sliding doors that open to reveal a flexible space that accommodates everything and everyone. I can see myself using this space for cycling trips, loading furniture, taking the boys and their friends to play football, and even big shopping trips. So, with its value for money and practicality, the Tourneo Courier is the perfect car